In this video, I'm going to show you how to block sites detected as scams in Microsoft Edge, step by step, so you can browse with a little more peace of mind and help protect yourself from suspicious websites. This is a really useful setting if you want Edge to warn you before you visit a site that may try to trick you, collect your information, or lead you into something unsafe. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots to open the main menu. From there, click on Settings. This will take you into the full Edge settings page, where you can control all kinds of privacy, security, and browsing features. Inside Settings, look at the left-hand menu and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section includes the options that help manage your browsing privacy and protection features. After that, scroll until you find Security, then click on it. The Security area is where Microsoft Edge keeps its safety tools, including protections against harmful, deceptive, or scam-related websites. Now, look for the option that says Block Sites Detected as Scams. You should see a toggle next to it. Simply turn that toggle on. Once it's enabled, Microsoft Edge will start blocking or warning you about sites it detects as scams, helping reduce the chance that you land on a dangerous page. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've turned on a helpful security feature in Edge that can make your browsing experience safer. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.